Hey guys, Mubarak here of Penny Stock. Hope you're doing well. In this episode, I want to talk to you guys today about flow and why it's one of the fastest growing and highest kind of gaining cryptocurrencies out there right now, depending on when you're watching this. But it's just been shooting up recently over the last um, pretty short time frame, and even in the last kind of week or so, has kind of a little bit of a round dip here. But you can see that in the last 3 months, you can just tell by the volume spike that something is going on. So I want to kind of talk about how important volume is in this video, and then also just in general my thoughts about flow. So first, let's start off, talking about why they're shooting up so high. Even as you're watching this, they're going up. Essentially, what they are is that they're a very well-backed cryptocurrency. So the same people that made CryptoKitties, Top Shot, they're working with a lot of big companies. They basically are growing pretty quickly and have the right type of funding behind them. All right, so one of the secrets that I teach over at Penny Stock is how just on a fundamental basis, right? So that's not looking at the technicals. That's just purely looking at, the actual data in terms of looking at what the cryptocurrency even is, or stock, or whatever it is. You definitely want to know where it stands. So because of the background and because of the team behind it, CryptoKitties, Dapper Wallet, NBA Top Shot, you know that this cryptocurrency is going to be around for a little bit at least, So it was founded by Dapper Labs. Dapper Labs is, I'm going to talk about this too, but Dapper Labs is one of the biggest type of kind of cryptocurrency companies, blockchain-based tech companies, and they're in it for the long run. So what they're focusing on doing is, you can see they're raising money at over $7.5 billion valuation, but they're essentially trying to build a better blockchain with with flow. So they're basically building out the NFT platform for cryptocurrency. And essentially, these are the types of news and the type of companies you need to find, right? A lot of people are always wondering, how do I find the top cryptocurrencies? And really, it's just a matter of almost scoring them, right? So there's a few things that you always have to watch out for in terms of, how much volume does it have? It's getting a massive spike right now, and trying to figure out what is causing that type of spike. All right, so whether it's news, whether it's a raise, so this was even from a few weeks ago, but other companies like Rarible, which is an NFT marketplace, they're raising a bunch of money and they're going to expand it onto the Flow blockchain. So you can see that as more companies use it, as there's news that more companies are adopting a certain technology or a certain blockchain, you'll be able to ensure that it kind of goes up. So in terms of, again, this isn't investment advice, this is purely educational, but in terms of understanding why flow is going up and kind of the stability in it, that's kind of the reliability you can place on it. Now, what I like to do is kind of go through all and see, okay, first of all, this is just a cryptocurrency that was created this year, right? But one of the best things about a booming cryptocurrency like this is if it's not at its high already, you know that in the past, with even less volume, in this bottom portion here, where my mouse is over, is showing the volume. So the volume is the amount of trading going on within this certain cryptocurrency. So you can see that even at a lower volume, it was priced higher. So people have confidence in the $30 range that it can kind of stay there. So you know that that is at least the potential it can get to. If it shoots past that, then you're probably looking at what we call a technical breakout. But at the very least, this cryptocurrency has very recently been at a much higher price, almost double what it's at right now. You see April 13th, it was at $38. It's at 18 right now. So you can feel comfortable that it has the capacity to go higher. That gives me much more comfort in being able to put this into a potential flip or so if you're interested in doing that. But this site here, crypto coin market cap, is definitely always a staple of your analysis. And the good thing here is that you can even click onto this market tab here, and it can tell you which different exchanges that you can sell it on or buy it on. So UBoy Global for international, and then Kraken for anyone local. Those are kind of the most popular ones. So it's not, Coinbase or Robinhood, but this is kind of where you would go to purchase this. So hopefully that makes a little bit of sense. If you guys have any questions on different cryptocurrencies or different stocks even, I'm currently making a whole new set of videos and new courses over at inpennystock.com. So would love to hear from you guys. Either leave a comment below, or you can text us at 516-417-4941, or even give us an email over to admin, that's ADMIN, at inpennystock.com. Hope to hear from you soon.